Cuprite is not an ore of iron.
Sulfur element occurs in a free state. The early on undesired materials associated with ore are called gadolinium. The most abundant metal in the Earth's crust is aluminium. An example of an oxide ore is bauxite. Rig iron is not an ore. Consider the facts regarding different ores and say true or false. For the purpose of extraction, bauxite is chosen for AI true. Zinc blende or sulfate is the same ore of zinc, true. The chemical composition of copper pyrites is CuFeS2, true. Pitch blende copper pair is incorrect. Bell metal is an alloy of CuSn. Castrite is an ore of Sb. Percentage of lead in lead pencil is 0. The method of zone refining of a metal is based on the principles of greater solubility of the impurity in the molten state than in the solid. Carbon and hydrogen are suitable reducing agent for metal sulfate. Statement about the average advantage of roasting of sulfide ore before reduction is not true. Sulfide ores of metals are usually concentrated by flotation process. Sphalerite sulfide cris offers an exception and is concentrated by chemical leaching. Zator and Ti are the pairs of metal is purified by Van Atel method. The following reaction take place in the blast furnace in the preparation of impure iron. Identity the reaction percentage to the formation of the slag. CaOS plus SiO2 S gives CaSiO3S. Magnetite is a mineral of iron. Steel is the alloy containing a non-metal as a constituent in it. Metal ore visually not found as nitrates in their ores out of the two reasons A and B. Reasons which is or true for the above observation. Meal nitrates
Are highly unstable, false. Metal nitrates are highly unstable, false. Metal nitrates are highly soluble in water, true. In the extraction of copper from its sulfide ore, the metal finally obtained by the reduction of cuprous oxide with copper sulfate. Match cyanide process extraction of Au flotation process, dressing of zincs, electrolytic reduction, extraction of AI, zone refining, ultra pure extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with CN. Iron silver is later recovered by displacement with zinc. Considering Elangam diagram, Mg metals can be used to reduce CuCO3 CuOH twice is malached. True or false? The blizzard copper as blood appearance due to evolution of a CO2. False. Vapor phase refining is carried out for nickel by Van Ariel method. False. Dig iron can be molded into a variety of shapes. True. Or wrought iron is impure iron with 4% carbon. False. High purity copper metal is obtained by electrolyte reduction. Aluminothermic process is used for the extraction of a metal whose oxides are not easily reduced by carbon. Purest form of a carbon is rough iron. Thomas Lag tricalcium phosphate and calcium silicate. Corundum is Al2O3. Eating of carbohydrates ores to remove carbon is called as calcination. Sulfide ores are common for the metals Ag, Cu and Pb. Sulfur element occurs freely in nature. Silver obtained by argent ferrous. Lead is purified by cupellation. Franklin's method of process is not used in purification of bioxide. 4m plus 8cn power minus plus 2H2O plus O2 gives 4mCn square inverse plus 4OH inverse 2mN2 inverse plus Zn gives Zn Cn 4 square plus 2m. The metal M is above mentioned reaction is silver. A major impurity in pig iron is carbon. In the extraction of aluminium by the Hall-Héroult process, purified Al2O3 is mixed with CaF2 to lower the melting point of Al2O3, increase the conductivity of the molten mixture. Aluminum extracted from alumina Al2O3 by electrolysis of a molten mixture of Al2O3 plus Na3Al plus CaF2. Brine is electrolyzed by using inert electrolytes. The reaction at the anode Cl inverse Aq gives 1 by 2 Cl2G plus E inverse E degree Celsius inverse 1.36 volt. The common impurities present in bauxite are Fe2O3 and FiO2. Cu and Zn metals can be purified by electrolytic refining.